Take 3. The evil one.
I can't believe we have to wipe Granny's dribble. It's so disgusting. Well, at least we're finished.
Well, I don't know about you two, but I'm going on break with my donuts.
Oh, it's an alien!
What's the box, Charlie?
Oh, now it's a fish.
Blob.
Let's just
Blob.
What's that?
It's an alien! There. No, Granny! There's something wrong with that fish.
Fishy.
No.
Blub.
There's something wrong with that fish.
No, it's a perfectly good fish. It looks tasty. Tasty.
Eat another fish.
That's the only fish I can see. No. I want it so badly.
You can't have it.
Blob.
There's something wrong with that fish.
Blob.
Why?
Blob.
No. Keep back.
I want it.
You have to get that fork is sharp, you know. No.
Blob.
Oh, I'll go with that.
Did we not see an alien earlier? Where's the alien gone?
I could choose this fish for some evil stuff. Alien! I'm so evil. You, Mr. Alien, will be my servant. Yeah. Blob. Mine fish. My fish. My fish. Oh, yeah.
Finish my breath.
Ooh, fish.
No. There's something wrong with that fish.
Oh, it looks perfectly good.
Oh, the alien came and affected it with something.
Aliens? There's no such thing as aliens.
I told you. Oh my god.
Oh. Blob.
I'm the bad guy.
Yes, yeah. Blob.
What's the alien doing?
Blob.
Were they chasing him? I'm not quite
Blob.
sure.
Blob.
Whoa! I'm gonna keep on doing it.
Blob. Is my fire shooting fish. Blob.
The end. Find out in part 4 what
Blob.
happens to the fish.
Blob.